day to everyone. Today we will explore the vital topic of water auditing strategies, approach to manage water use effectively and sustainably. This presentation will guide through the fundamental principle, detailed process and real world application of water auditing, whether you are an engineering student or a sustainability working people. This session aims to provide you through an understanding of how water auditing can address the growing challenges of water scarcity in modern system. Myself, Dr. C. Gajendran, Professor from Civil Engineering. Water auditing is essentially a systematic review of how water is used in a given setting. It involves identifying whether the water comes from, how it's consumed, and where losses or inefficiencies occur. As water stress increases globally, this process has become more crucial than ever. Industries and municipalities are turning to water audits to improve conservation, reduce cost, comply with environmental norms. In this session, we will examine how auditing supports both sustainability and operational excellence. To begin, let's understand what water auditing entails. It is the process of systematically identifying and measuring all water inflows and outflow within a system, be it a building, industry, or community. The goal is to uncover inefficiencies, water losses, and potential area for improvement. This provides a foundation for data-driven decision making and paves the way for sustainable water management. By understanding flow dynamics, organizations gain valuable insights that support long-term water scarcity. The importance of water management cannot be overstated. In many parts of the world, water scarcity is a looming crisis. Through proper management and auditing, we can ensure efficient use of limited water resources. Water audits play a key role in detecting waste, optimizing consumption, and reducing environmental impact. They also help organizations comply with legal regulations and improve their sustainable metrics. This strategic approach benefits not only businesses but also the wider community. Water audits are typically classified into three categories: primarily comprehensive and process specific. Preliminary audit offer high-level overview, while comprehensive audit involve detailed system evaluation. Process-specific audit focus on particular area of interest. Key components include identifying water sources, mapping consumption points, assessing leakages or losses, and reviewing instrumentation such as meters and sensors. These structured steps ensure that the audit results are actionable and effective. Conducting water audits involve a sequence of clearly defined steps. First comes planning, where the scope and objective are established. This is followed by data collection, both historical and real-time water usage data. Field survey then verify the actual system in place. Next, the data is analyzed to detect patterns, inefficiency or abnormal use. Finally, comprehensive report is generated with recommendations. Each phase contributes to a transparent and effective water management strategy. Modern water auditing greatly benefits from technological advancements. Tools such as ultrasonic flow meters offer precise consumption readings, while pressure and flow sensors detect variation that may indicate leaks. Leak detection equipment can pinpoint hidden issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Together, these tools not only ensure data accuracy but also allow real-time monitoring. This integration of technology streamlines the auditing process and enhances proactive water conservation measures. Water auditing has broad applications across industries, institutions, urban infrastructure, and even agriculture. By identifying inefficiency and reducing wastage, audits help in significantly lowering operating costs. Furthermore, they support environmental stewardship and conserving water, reducing the energy used in water pumping and treatment. Whether in a university campus or a manufacturing facility, the benefits are tangible: improved compliance, cost savings, and enhanced sustainability performance. In conclusion, water auditing stands a vital tool in water efforts, manage water sustainability through systematic assessments and technology-driven analysis. Organizations can better understand their water use, rectify inefficiency, and ensure long-term conservation. For engineering students, mastering this principle is not just an academic requirement, it is a professional necessity in addressing real-world water challenges. Let us commit to using these insights for a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or comments, you please put it in our comment. I try to address those. Thank you. Have a nice day.